Scores of vendors who sell at the Ocho Rios market in St. Anne are up in arms with the municipal corporation. The higglers are upset about the state of the facility. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
These people here, they're not like, say, poor people survive.
The issue of the sanitization of the Ocho Rios market in St. Anne was the fuel behind vendors' fury. They say they were barred from entering the facility on Thursday. The sellers complain that despite paying weekly fees, they are forced to work in what they describe as inhumane conditions.
Listen up!
Yes, Portia.
Me in here
yes.
from Saltfish the shingle back house. Yes. And not even mal they're not showing ya. All we selling into is mud and water and garbage. Look over there. Yeah. A 2-week garbage not clean.
Look on the market. We can't, right now, in a 2 months' time, see a lady down there, so, outside, done. Hey, how much chop on me buy for you in a 2 months? About $15,000 worth of chop on me buy for this money and nothing at all them I do. Then come the water now, we pay nothing at all there. Daddy, I go them for going now.
They not take up the garbage seat, they stink. And when you talk to them round there, then say they no response for you if we work in here.
The lack of running water was another problem.
No water in the pipe, boss, and put the pipe and turn off water from the pipe. Nobody can wash it. See there, nothing at all. No water in the pipe.
We the cook shop, them our business place them around here. Not have no water. And we have to pay market fee and we don't have no water. And water line can't run. So we have to go put it on here, tell them the people they need water around here. In the business place. All business place need water. Me we pay me water fee, me no matter what it costs. We want the market. We want water around here.
Despite several attempts, we were unsuccessful to get a comment from the chairman of the municipal corporation, Mayor Sidney Stewart, on the matter. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.